In this video, I will show you how to earn $100 per day with CPA marketing. So the first thing you need to do is find something valuable to offer those people. Now, one of the best things you can offer is a training course. What you can do is you can come to a website called Udemy, and you can find so many courses. There are really good courses. Here you can find courses on everything like programming, cooking, exercises, and whatever you want. See that I can find free course on YouTube, but some course on the Udemy side may be very attractive to the audience. That's why I choose a topic in the categories and choose free in the filter section. So they copy the link of this course and I put it in the notepad file. So the next thing you need to do is go to CPA Grip to create a content shelf. And you need to create a new URL locker here. After agreeing to the terms, click here and continue. And now you need to create a content locker. So what you need go here. So what you need to do is copy his links and go to CPA and paste it here. What you do is actually go to this template and select this template. Just save it and your URL locker will be created. Then copy the link from here, and next step you need to create a bridge page. Before continuing with the video, be sure to subscribe us and press the bell button to stay informed about our tutorials. Because a lot of big companies, a lot of big websites don't really like CPA marketing. That's why we have to create a bridge page. So you have to go, for example, on the Google site and create content locker here. That you can actually offer various free Udemy courses. And this way you can earn even more. Like the previous tutorials, you can create your own bridge page, which is very easy. What you need to do is start promoting your bridge page, where you're actually promoting content like from your CPA affiliate network, because we're actually going to be using Reddit. So when you come here on Reddit and when you search here, for example, you type in learn writing, and here you can see that there are different sections that are looking for learning to write. Here you can see people who are actually looking to learn. So what you need to do is open these pages here and open these posts here on Reddit, and now you need to go to the play site you create, but be carefully because Reddit doesn't like spamming. You have to be really smart about how you format your response to your comments. So here you can see how he did it in this post, which is exactly what you should do when you write your comment exactly like this post. And in fact, you should use other people's patterns in Reddit and try not to copy and market your posts. To provide value, you need to link to your bridge page where your content is actually liked, which is really important. But like I said, these guys are the chef in question here. Below, they are looking for ways to learn about different topics and you are giving them a method absolutely free, all they have to do is just take this survey, they can learn this tutorial. And after you post a comment about it, just come back here and find more questions, more people actually asking how to learn this program, for example, and then just be smart in the comments like I said. And leave a link to the Google site in the comments. Then what you can do is you can simply go back to Udemy and then find more courses that you can offer for free and you can find more. In this way, you can make a good money by creating a content like and with a simple copying for free.